Hey everybody, I'm here doing a multi-part. This is, I think, part 5, maybe part 6, I'm not sure, but this is the shape that we were given originally, well, with some slight adjustments from the original drawing. But if you do need to look back at any of the parts, there are multiple parts to this, so check out all of the parts to this multi-shaped object. And we are asked by one of my viewers to find the perimeter as well as find the area of this. So I have gone through all the steps of breaking down each of the 3 triangles here, the rectangle as you see right here, and that semicircle right here. So I've gotten all the pieces, I added up together, got the perimeter for the last part, and so my final part here is finding out the area. So what we are going to do, area of the triangles is really easy. It's base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to start with this triangle right here. So my base is, in this case, 6.1, and it's just flipped upside down. My height is 3.63, and if I do base times height, it's 22.143, and then I want to divide that by 2. So we have an area of this particular triangle right here. The area is 11 point, I'm going to do all of, I know I've been cutting off numbers, so I'm going to use all of the numbers because this is terminating decimal. So we got 11.0715 for the area of this one. Now I'm going to go over here and do this one. So the area, the base is 6.1 with this one. We're going to times it by our height, which is 1.71. We get 10.431, and we're going to divide that by 2 as well. And we're going to get an area for this one of, let's see, this is going to be 5.2155. These are all in inches, by the way. This is inches squared. All right, we're going to go up here and do this triangle. So our base for this one is 9.4. Base times height, 10.78. You get 101.332, and we're going to divide that by 2. And we're going to get 50.666, and that's the area for that one. So we have 3 of the triangles. Now we're going to do this nice rectangle here, 6.1 length times width, and then we've got 9.07, and we get an area for this one of, I'm just going to put it in here, 55.3272. So 55.327, oh my gosh, it's 27, not 72, my bad, sorry. All right, so 55.327 for the rectangle. And then that final little piece right here, area of a full circle is pi r squared. So we're gonna take our radius, which is 4.7, we're gonna square it because it's radius squared. And then we are timesing that by 3.14 just because I'm using the pi shortened version. Now that is 69.3626, but it is a semicircle, so I want to cut that in half because that's half of the area. So the area of just this piece right here is 34.6813. Some really terrible handwriting here. Now, the reason why I've been using all of the full numbers is because I'm going to cut this off at the end. So we're going to add all of these pieces together. So we've got the 50.666. We're going to add that to the 34.6813. That's the semicircle area. We're going to add 5.2155 of this triangle. We've got this rectangle, which is 55.327. And then we're going to add this little triangle over here, 11.0715. That gives me a grand total for the area of this. I'm just going to put it right here. So the area is going to be 156.9613. So I'm just going to go with 96-ish. You can put 13 if you'd like. And this is going to be in inches squared. I do have the perimeter. Now I've got the area. Whoops. And so we have all of the pieces put together. So hopefully that helps with understanding how to do a compound shape and all of these lovely pieces that go with it. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. check these. All of the parts of this are going to be in the geometry section.